I know you've heard it 1,000 times. Things just dry out as we get older, and it's just a fact of life that we have to live with. I'm telling you that's not true. There is so much that we can do to be proactive, to do during menopause and perimenopause so that we can feel our best, so we can function our best and perform our best during every season of life. Today, we're going to talk about my top 5 tips that we can do to help keep our lady bits hydrated and healthy during menopause. Number 1, hydrate. Shoot for half your body weight of water in ounces. Every cell, every muscle, every organ, every tendon, every ligament needs to be hydrated in our bodies. End of story, drink your water. Number 2, moisturize. So just like as you get older, you may find that you need to moisturize your face a little more. We need to moisturize our lady bits a little bit more during perimenopause and menopause as well. There are so many great products out there meant for that purpose to keep you comfortable throughout the day. Number 3 is lubricants. Again, we have another video where we talk about which lubricant is best for who, but lubricants are going to make you feel more comfortable during intimacy and decrease friction. Number 4 is hormone therapy. Low dose estrogen is the gold standard for replenishing, restoring, reconstituting, and rehydrating those tissues. Speak to a menopause expert to see if it's right for you. And then number 5 is movement. Motion is lotion. Even having a climax can increase the blood flow to that area. A breath practice, yoga, Pilates, stretching, anything that helps your body move will help to lubricate and keep things sliding and gliding. So feel great so you can be happy and do your best. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and don't forget to comment below so I can answer any questions you may have.